Before you set up your Brother machine, you must find out the wireless network settings of your wireless router or access point. Check and write down the current wireless network settings below. You will need this information later. 1. Network name, also known as SSID or ESSID. 2. Network key, also known as password security key or encryption key. How to find the network name, SSID and network key password. 1. Check the base or side of your wireless router or access point. 2. See the documentation provided with your wireless router or access point. If you need assistance during setup and want to contact Brother customer service, make sure you have your SSID network name and network key, which is your password, ready. We need this information to assist you, so please get them ready. If you do not know your SSID and network key, you cannot continue the wireless setup. If you cannot find your wireless network name and network key, contact your internet service provider or router manufacturer. For Windows users, Brother has developed a utility wireless setup helper to assist you in locating the security settings of your wireless network. You can find the information in our support website. For macOS users, click the Wi-Fi or airport icon in the menu bar. Click Wi-Fi settings, network preferences or open network preferences. Make sure the network name, your SSID, is with the word connected underneath and then click Advanced. Make a note of the network name, SSID and security type on the list of known networks. To check the network key, which is the password to your network, click Go. Utilities, then double-click Keychain Access app or Keychain Access. When prompted, click Open Keychain Access. Click System in the left navigation bar. Then double-click the network name SSID under Name. In the Attributes tab, put a check next to Show Password. When prompted, enter the Mac administrator's password and/or keychain password in the dialog box and then click Allow or OK. Make a note of the password listed in the Show Password field to use when connecting to the wireless network. When you have all your information ready, you can begin setting up your Brother machine. To set up your Brother machine on a wireless network, you must download the full driver and software package onto your PC. Once you download it, run it, and you should see this screen. Software will guide you through the installation of your product. Select your preferred language, then press Next. Then agree to the license agreement. Then click on Wireless Network Connection, then press Next. You will be prompted to get a USB cable to connect the printer to your computer to configure the network settings. Once the printer and your computer is connected via the USB cable, you may press Next. Now you should be able to see the SSID that you wish to connect to. Click on it and input your network key, which is your password, then press Next. Disconnect the cable and go back to the printer driver. Here you should see your printer model name. Click on it and press Next. When you see the prompt asking the installation type that you want, click on Standard, which is the recommended. Your software should start the installation process, so please wait patiently. Once it's done, you can keep pressing Next until you see the Finish button, and the installation process should be finished. Now your printer is connected. Check the LED light above the Wi-Fi button on the printer panel. If the LED is no longer blinking, that's how you know the printer is connected to your wireless network. You are now ready to print your document wirelessly.